Citi's 10th Global Community Day. We have been doing this around the world, and we expect this year we'll have around 75,000 Citi staff in 95 countries participating in various local community programs. Here in Thailand for our 10th Global Community Day, besides racing for the Citi Elephant Nursery, we will have the School of Dreams next weekend. So Kun Amporn has been running this program for us for 9 years. A special thank you to Kun Amporn. She does amazing work, and this year is going to be one of the schools in Ratchaburi, which is under the patronage of Her Royal Highness Princess Sirinhorn. So we'll be celebrating there next weekend as part of the 60th anniversary of the princess and helping many underprivileged children once again this year. We also have our at-risk women financial literacy training program coming up. And I think some of you may have participated in a blood drive last week, but lots of different things happening over this weekend and next weekend as part of Citi's Global Community Day activities.
Citibank are a great supporter of the Golden Triangle Asian Elephant Foundation, a foundation that I run up in the north of Thailand. What they've done since the birth of one of our elephants up there is they've sponsored a special nursery for him, which we built to allow him to grow up to be a special and well-balanced elephant and without any of the nastier traditional means of training. So thank you very much to Citibank for that. Our foundation is slightly wider. We also look after 19 elephants up there, and also some wild elephant projects as well as captive elephant projects throughout Thailand.
รู้สึกว่าเป็นเกียรติอย่างยิ่งนะครับแล้วก็เห็นความสำเร็จของการวิ่งในครั้งนี้นะฮะโดยเฉพาะอย่างยิ่งที่เราจะเอาเงินส่วนหนึ่งไปสมทบทุนเพื่อช่วยเหลือน้องช้างนะครับที่เข้าใจว่าเลี้ยงมาอายุประมาณ1 ปีแล้วนะครับก็วันนี้ก็รู้สึกว่าอากาศก็ดีนะครับที่ทำให้เราสามารถวิ่งได้ครบ10 กิโลนะครับแล้วก็ถือว่าเราหวังว่าปีหน้าเนี่ยก็คงจะได้เกียรติมาร่วมวิ่งในครั้งนี้อีกขอบคุณครับ